Hi there, this is the key fob out of the SF90 Stradale, and I'm going to show you how to remove this cover as well as replace the battery. First thing you need is a replacement battery. This takes a 2032, and you also need the special tool that came with the Ferrari originally. I do not have that. So I have a very small flat tip screwdriver here. This will also work. There's a link below in the description for both these things I'm using. So there's 4 screws on either end. I've removed 3 of them. Save a little bit of time here. And this cover slides off here. Remove this rubber cover. And there is your battery. Take out the old battery. New battery goes in like so. Place your cover back over it. Cover goes on right there. Replace your 4 screws and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.